Hello viewer. Welcome to Everything Review Pro. In this video, we try to more information about top 5 portable sewing machine. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So easily find your best product. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Automatic Needle threader Sewing Machine. Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. High Speed Sewing Machine. Sewing Machine Accessories. Heavy Duty Metal Frame. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. Janome Mod 15. Top loading bobbin with clear cover and 5-piece feed dog system. Adjustable stitch length and zigzag width and 4 presser feed. Janome easy to use basic sewing machine. Easy threading with automatic tension. Free arm, drop feed, 25-year limited warranty. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. Brother Sewing. Simple to use sewing and quilting machine. Automatic needle threader. Adjustable sewing speed. Built-in free arm. Wide table. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Singer Quantum Stylus 9960. Singer Computerized Sewing Machine. Automatic Needle threader. Sewing Machine Accessories. High Speed Sewing Machine. Best Sewing Machine. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. JUKITL 2000 Chi. Aluminum die-cast arm and bed for low vibration operation. Automatic needle threader. Stitches, straight stitch. Updated with LED lights and 1-pedal operation. 1500 SPM for quilting apparel and home decor. Extension table included for wide work area. Please check out the description for details and update price.